When we talk about the flagship smartphones, तो Samsung की S series definitely ही सामने आती है, and now a new smartphone is joining the Galaxy S25 series. Here I have with me the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and I'm sure you already know that this is the slimmest Samsung Galaxy phone ever. But is this phone worth buying? Let's talk about this in detail today in this review video. Subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews. I'm your host Ashit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Galaxy S25 Edge design-wise surely looks attractive. It comes with the same S25 series elegant and minimalistic design concept. The side frames are made of titanium and the back is glass. This phone is 5.8 mm thin and 163 grams light, which is seriously impressive. You can use this phone for long hours without any problem, and of course it feels premium too. This phone feels ergonomic to use and give you a better in-hand feel and बिल्कुल भी slip नहीं होता है. The Galaxy S25 Edge comes with an IP68 rating, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back. The Galaxy S25 Edge comes with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate and 2600 nits peak brightness. In daylight, the display is bright enough to enjoy the content. Bezels are very minimal, so you get a bigger display for your binge watching sessions. You get a good black and white combination जिससे कि आप सभी तरह का content इस पर आसानी से enjoy कर सकते हैं. The haptics are working really good and the fingerprint sensor is also similarly fast as other S25 series smartphones. Now it's time to talk about the performance. The Galaxy S25 Edge comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, which is a 3nm based chipset. It has 12GB RAM, 256 and 512GB internal storage option, and the variant I am using is 256GB one. We ran multiple tests on this device and उन सभी के results आपकी screen पर हैं. And to do benchmarking में, this phone scored almost 22 lakh, which is great. But we test this device on many different parameters too. We play many games like BGMI, Call of Duty, Asphalt on this device for almost 2 to 3 hours and the result will shock you. We played BGMI at graphics at smooth and frame rate at extreme plus, and the gameplay was superb. There was no lag in the game, and even when I switched the graphics to Ultra HDR and frame rate to Ultra, the gameplay was still lag free. But I noticed that the phone starts to heat up a bit. लेकिन as soon as I switch back to the older settings, तब device एकदम normal हो गया था. Other than this, the Call of Duty gameplay was awesome and the same goes for Asphalt gameplay. While playing Asphalt, the graphics were so smooth that I overplayed the game, obviously because I was enjoying it. App switching and app opening are working perfectly. You can do all your multitasking and binge watching together and the device is still working perfectly. So I can say that Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge performance wise आपको बिल्कुल भी निराश नहीं करता है. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge comes with a pill-shaped camera module which includes a 200MP primary lens and the other one is 12MP ultra-wide lens. Its camera can capture really detailed and sharp picture in daylight. The pictures come out with good dynamic range even in harsh daylight as well. The colors are natural and even it can also balance the excessive shadow. The ultra-wide mode also gives you the same result. The pictures come out clear and sharp and even the dynamic range is quite good. In portrait mode, you can click some really impressive pictures. Even in some tricky situations, the phone doesn't mess with the picture quality. The edge detection works perfectly and does not miss any detail. In the low light also, this phone captures clear picture and the best thing is that I don't feel any excessive brightness or anything like that in the pictures. Moving on, if we talk about the selfie part, then it comes with a 12MP selfie shooter. This selfie camera is also same as the rear one. If we talk about the camera quality, the skin tone is natural and the pictures come out with absolute clarity and details. Even in the portrait mode, you can easily notice the perfectly detected edges with natural skin tone and facial details. In low light conditions, the selfies are the same as it is in the daylight condition. I mean, quality, clarity and the skin tone are the same. Talking of video, you can record videos from the rear camera at 4K at 60 FPS and 8K at 30 FPS, and the front camera can record it at 4K at 60 FPS. The video quality is superb. You can use it for making your own reels or YouTube videos or even the product shots also. So overall, I can say that Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge give you a good camera which you can rely on, and the camera output will surely satisfy you. And now when we talk about the Galaxy S series smartphone, the Galaxy AI features will surely amaze you. With the new Galaxy S25 Edge, you get all the Galaxy AI features like reimagine your images, sketch to image, portrait studio and object eraser. While using them, the result was good too. I really like the object eraser because while editing my picture, it can detect the unwanted object with perfection and remove them from the picture. और वो भी कुछ इस तरह से जैसे कि वो कभी वहाँ था ही नहीं. The Galaxy S25 Edge comes with a 3900 mAh battery, which I know seems like a bit low, but the battery optimization is working nicely. After charging the device 100%, I played BGMI for almost 1 hour, Call of Duty for 30 minutes and Asphalt for another 1 hour, and the device was still at 65%. After this, I used this device for my binge watching session, for scrolling reels and for my day-to-day tasks, and the device was still with me. So I can say if you are a moderate user who only use the device for day-to-day tasks, binge watching, office work and थोड़ी बहुत gaming, तो बैटरी दिन भर आपका साथ निभा देगी. And for charging the device while testing it, I use a 15-watt Samsung PD charger which charges it back in 1 hour 30 minutes. But when I try charging it with my 25-watt Samsung PD charger, then it takes almost 1 hour. So I must say the battery may seem smaller in terms of number, but it can sustain with you if you are using it for your normal day-to-day tasks. Before giving my final verdict, let me tell you the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge starts from price of 1,09,999 rupees. So I think if you are someone who wants a premium looking phone, जो handy हो, super slim smartphone which does not lack in terms of powerful performance, camera quality and display quality, then Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is a really good option for you. Well, what do you think about this phone? Do let me know in the comment section. I'm your host Harshit Arora. Subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, stay tuned.